Are you ready to enter the incredible world of 3D printing? Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for the perfect starter machine, today we're unveiling the top 5 best 3D printers for beginners of 2025. These cutting-edge printers combine ease of use, precision, and value like never before. Want to bring your ideas to life? Stick around till the end, because you won't want to miss our number 1 pick. It's a game changer. All the product links are conveniently listed in the description below, so you can grab your favorite 3D printer today. And hey, if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Now, let's dive into the world of 3D printing and discover your next favorite gadget. Starting at number 1. Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D Printer. Best overall 3D printer for beginners. The Creality Ender 3v2 3D printer has the price tag of a kid-oriented 3D printer but the capabilities of a much more advanced one. A fully open-sourced printer, the Ender 3v2 allows users to upload any type of design they want, so it can be used for printing anything from toy figurines to functional hardware. The printer can be fully heated and ready to use within 5 minutes of startup time, and should it lose power during a print, it has an automatic resumption feature. This can allow you to switch the printer off overnight or when you need to leave home, and also helps prevent the loss of a partial print job during an accidental outage. There is a good deal of assembly involved when the Ender 3v2 first arrives, but any decently handy adult will be able to take it on. Creality states the company offers a lifetime of 24-hour-a-day technical service, so you can always reach out for help if you need to. Number 2. Entina 2 Mini 3D Printer. Best budget 3D printer for beginners. If you want a 3D printer that will be ready to go right out of the box, no screws or hex wrenches or bolts or anything to be dealt with, then this affordable and well-rated 3D printer from Entina is the one for you. A true desktop-sized unit, the Entina 2 Mini 3D printer is perfect for kids and adult hobbyists alike. It features an automatically leveling bed, a clear LCD screen for easy operation, and it pairs with various types of software, allowing you to select all sorts of designs. To print an object that's larger than 3.9 inches by 4.7 inches, you'll need a different printer because that's the maximum size for this device. Despite the small size capacity, it can still take many hours to print something, but the ease of use and low cost of the Entina 2 Mini can make it easy to overlook those issues. Number 3. Toybox OneTouch Kid-Friendly 3D Printer. Best 3D printer for kids. The Toybox is truly a kid-friendly 3D printer if ever there was one. It's easy to load the filament, upload designs, and start a print. It can be hard to choose what to print, given the thousands of pre-made designs available in the Toybox library, but that's a good problem to have. It can also be rather hard to get this 3D printer well calibrated for ideal operation, which is done by raising or lowering the bed with a slender Allen wrench, but a patient adult can handle it and then hand things back off to the kids. Small enough to tuck away on a shelf or perch on a desk, the Toybox is also quite quiet while it's printing, so even those print jobs that will take an hour or more to complete won't disturb the household. This is a perfect entry point into the world of 3D printing that kids can use to make gifts, figures, and fun functional toys like disc launchers and puzzle cubes. Number 4. Snapmaker A350 3-in-1 3D Printer Laser Engraver CNC Machine. Best multifunction 3D printer. This 3D printer is right on the borderline of being acceptable for amateur users, but if you're a generally handy and tech-oriented person, don't shy away. Once you have it assembled, which takes some doing, but the instructions are quite clear and manageable, it's a high-precision machine that requires minimal ongoing maintenance and calibration. And it's not just a 3D printer, it's 3 devices in one. Depending on which module you have attached to your Snapmaker, you can 3D printed objects with a build volume up to 12.6 inches by 13 inches by 13.8 inches. You can use a CNC module to precisely cut objects out of materials ranging from wood to acrylic to jade, or you can use its laser module to engrave designs into materials like wood, leather, or decorative paper. Were this simply a 3D printer, the price tag would be hard to justify. But for 3 machines in one, it's actually a decent price. Number 5. 3 Doodler 3D Pen. Best 3D Pen for beginners. The 3 Doodler 3D Pen is a great entry point into 3D printing for kids, teens, or even adults. While it's not intended to make perfect renditions of anything, even the youngest novice user can have a lot of fun here, easily creating 3D printed jewelry, robots, bugs, rockets, and whatever else they'd like. The rechargeable 3D pen works without wires, so it can go anywhere. Even while it's being operated, the nozzle remains cool enough to touch. 3D pens can not only be used to create entirely new objects but can also be used in conjunction with other objects. For example, you can print out a replacement panel for a damaged toy car. The filament refills can be pricey, but the low price of the 3 Doodler pen itself rather makes up for that.